In this video, we will perform site-specific docking by using Autodock. For this, you need three tools: MGL tools, Autodock Vina, and PyMol. So let's start. First of all, we will prepare our ligand molecule, then prepare protein molecule, and then we will perform docking by using Autodock Vina, and then we will see the interaction between ligand and the protein by using PyMol. Okay, first we will prepare ligand molecule. From ligand, input and open. Select the ligand molecule and ligand, then torsion tree and detect the root. Then we will save this ligand in .pdbqt format in same directory. Now we will delete this. Now we will open protein file and we will select residues of binding sites for docking. From file, read molecule. First of all, we will delete its water molecules. From edit, delete water molecules. Then we will add hydrogen atoms, polar only. Then we will save this molecule in .pdbqt format. From grid, macromolecules, choose Now we will define binding residues. There are multiple tools from where you can find which residues are making binding sites. For example, SiteHounds, PDBinder, or you can also search some literature like from PDB papers associated with its structure, and you can also find it from UniProt, from sequence annotation. For this protein, we have proline 93. Change its color. The next one is serine 96. The next one is alanine 97. You can take a look on the selected residues. The second one is isoleucine 160. Next is phenylalanine 162. Then arginine 168. Then glycine 283 and 557. And aspartate 559. We have selected all the residues in the binding sites. Now we will create a grid box around these selected residues. Okay. We will go with these parameters. The grid box encompasses all the selected residues, as you can see. So we will save these coordinates in a file for further processing. And close this by saving current. Exit this. Now we will perform docking by using Autodock Vina. First, we need to prepare configuration file. It has this format. First of all, receptor file, then ligand file, then the centers XYZ, and then size XYZ, then output file and log files, and then the number of modes. We can edit this file according to our grid parameters. Save this. Now we will perform docking. For this, we need to run this command vina config, then configuration file name, then log file name, hit enter. It will take some time. Okay, it has generated 9 modes. The first one with the lowest energy and with 0 RMSD. The RMSD value of remaining conformers is calculated with respect to the first conformer. Okay, you can analyze your results by using PyMol. In PyMol, open protein file, open your result file, from action, reset, ligand sites and cartoon. You can take a look on interaction of ligand and protein. Yeah. The fourth one has maximum interactions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more learning. Thank you.